Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and on today's video, I'm going to be using these little things right here. So, I actually saw these. Paul Danner actually made a video, and they've been surfacing on Facebook too, and I don't know, it looks too good to be true. So guess what? I went to my local parts store, AutoZone, picked up some little goodies, bought this on eBay, and I'm going to give it a try. I want to see what happens. So how about we get into this video and see if this thing actually works. So I went ahead, went on eBay, purchased this little kit right here, and went to my little local auto parts store, and I got me this little torch right here, and it was like 20 bucks at AutoZone, so kind of cool. So how about we give this a try? So got some wire right here, did strip, I would say about 1/2 inch, and what you need to do right here, make sure that this is nice and clean. And this does have different sizes, as you can see. There's a blue one, red one, yellow one, and then the little small tiny white one right here. And when we look at this, this actually has two openings. Well, the two openings right here have different sizes. So this size is bigger than that one, and that's whenever we kind of move our other wire into there. So I'm gonna put the smaller side in, and then we're gonna put these two together, and all we're gonna do is just move them together like that. Just gonna give it a little turn, and then we're gonna move our sleeve in place. And forgot to bring that up about this sleeve right here. Make sure your wires don't get caught up. Alright, so the middle is going to be the solder, and then these little color ones, that's going to be our weather protective right here. So whenever we heat this up, this starts closing up, and that should be our protection. So I am ready here, and I remember Paul, the only issue he was having is when he was heating this up, it was basically burning the plastic and the solder wasn't working. But we're gonna give this a shot, and make sure whenever we heat this up, we're gonna go all around here so everything gets heated up appropriately. So here it goes. Let's start this up. All right, and I'm gonna keep my distance so we don't burn this up. As you can see, it's already taking its form. The solder has not ran out yet. It kind of is going now. I'm just kind of scared because if I keep on applying heat to the solder, I feel like it's gonna burn up that plastic piece, and that's what Paul was complaining about. So I'll tell you this, if I was using my regular method of soldering, I would already be done. It's taking a little bit too long. Not a big fan of this right now. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. The solder kind of popped out right here. The solder popped out right there. Like I said, I try to heat up basically the whole location. And I'm not gonna lie, before this video I was kind of messing around with it a little bit and trying out different methods. All of them failed, and I wanted to try another way, and there you go. Now let's what I did notice is, as soon as I finished, I kind of took it apart real quick, and we let it cool down for a little bit. It's already cool to the touch. And let's just give it the little tug test. And this is what they were talking about, that this is nice and strong and you can just have a secure lock. Oh, and there, it ripped right off. So guess what? I don't know if I didn't get the right brand or what, but this one right here from eBay, I'm not a big fan of. So there you go. If you do like this video, put a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos coming out from Miles Mechanics. Y'all take care and have a nice day.